guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to record this intro part of this video because it does touch base on me actually showing you guys. It's really weird to say. I mean, I'm just gonna be like honest with you guys, like always. I did a video a couple of videos back, and I said that to be honest, I struggle with depression and really bad anxiety. It runs in my family, the women's side of the family, if that makes any sense. And I wanted to make my channel like really good, and around January, February, I went into like a little depression state where I didn't want to like get out of the bed too much, and I keep things over my windows, you know, my bedroom windows. I just don't want to be bothered with people. It's just a part of my depression. I did go ahead and get back on my medication. I know not everybody thinks that medication is going to solve everything, or medication is the answer to everything, and that's definitely, you know, everyone's opinion. My opinion, I did need to get my medications, and I am definitely, and I see myself, it's helping me a whole lot better. Like, I'm doing so much better that I'm back on my medication. And I really wanted my channel to grow because I love interacting with you guys. I love doing videos, giveaways, things like that. And so I went and I bought all this video equipment. I bought the green screen, which is the pink thing that you saw with the like the little curtains on the side, and then I bought the soft boxes, and then the ring light. I mean, I spent a lot of money on this stuff. I even bought, you know, 2 really expensive cameras, and I'm like, I'm gonna do my channel, you know, I'm gonna do my channel so much better. It's gonna look so much better for everybody. It's gonna look more professional instead of just crap, you know. And because I want to have a good striving channel, I want to bring you guys great content you're wanting to see, as well as seeing, you know, the background is nice, the lighting's good. And this is actually my second video using this ring light, so it's probably a little bright. You're probably seeing my soul right now because it's so bright. So I have to get used to the lighting on adjusting which is best for me. I did, or I am going to show you what I use for my cameras when I record, when I'm not using my iPhone. And it really, today, this is March, getting ready, actually it's getting ready to be June next week, and it has taken me this long for me to actually come out of the darkness, that I would say, and feel a lot better and use the equipment and the things that I purchased. I mean, the stuff was just been in a room, and I have it set up, as you can see, or you're about to see going forward in this video. I have it set up, but my body literally ached so much from the depression and the anxiety that I could not get out of the bed, or hardly get out of the bed and sit in front of this light or sit in front of anything and record or anything. So I actually am glad that I'm feeling better, because now I can go ahead and start recording some videos in front of my studio and start doing my vlogs like I've been wanting to do, because I bought a vlogging camera. I mean, it's just sitting here and collecting dust, you know. So I just wanted to share with you guys, you know, what I had gotten, and because I said it in like 3 or 4 videos, you know, I'm going to start going in the studio that I'm, you know, got together, and the stuff that I made, and I never actually showed you guys. So that is or you'll see the stuff is here. So hopefully going forward, there's going to be some videos actually using this stuff. Because I want to grow my channel. I love you guys. Everyone that subscribed to me, everyone that stuck by me, even in my times where I haven't recorded in like a week. I apologize. I've been busy, you know, personal things like that. Everyone that still stayed with me, muchos besos. So just wanted to share it with you guys. I wanted to show you behind the scenes of my backdrop that I have yet to use. So I have my Diva ring light here and my 2 soft boxes, and on the side are clipped on pink panels to go in front of my my backdrop, so it will look a lot cuter. So stay tuned, you guys. I will start recording in front of this, and it'll probably look like this, but a lot more brighter. So all of this stuff is professional. This is the Diva ring light And then I have my Limo Studio soft boxes. And then my table down there that I would be sitting behind, and then my backdrop with my little stage curtain stuff. Yeah, so this is all by Limo Studio. The stuff was not cheap by far, but I will start recording in front of this. It'll be a lot brighter and it'll look a lot more professional. Just wanted to show you guys this stuff that I've had for about 3 months that I have not used yet, but your girl will start. So yeah, showing you guys my hidden studio that I have had for a few months and have not used. I wanted to go ahead and show you what I do record with. Right now I'm recording with my iPhone 8 Plus, but I wanted to show you the cameras that I do record with. The first one here is my baby. It was about $1,200. This is the, well, it came with the big top microphone that comes out. The whole thing came to, I think, around $1,200 because this lens actually comes off. But you have to have the lens in order to use the camera, so you have to buy the lens. This is the DSLR Canon T6, Rebel T6i. What you can do, the screen, and the battery is actually not in it right this second, but you can flip out the screen. I was sitting on her bed. That was a bad place. The screen tilts back and forth. When I record, I tilt it back the other way, all the way. So when I record, I can actually see myself in this viewfinder. I love this camera. I was going to do this with my vlogging, but it is really heavy and it's really expensive, and I don't want to have to bust somebody upside the head for trying to, I'm sitting on my bed, y'all. I didn't want to have to bust somebody upside the head for my camera, so, yeah. So then when you're done, you just close it, and I do have a Canon case that I put her in, and then a dust bag. This camera I got about 2 months ago. This is my vlogging camera. It's small and perfect for my purse. I do use the small tripod. This is perfect for it. It's not the really long one. It's the one that fits, you know, in your hands. And I'm going to show you this. This one is a Canon. Let's see. Canon SX730HS. That I use for vlogging, that honestly, you guys, I've used one time since I got it 3 months ago. And if you guys watch my previous videos, me having all this camera equipment and studio equipment falls into the depression. Like I was telling you guys, I have all of the stuff, but your girl's been really depressed, and you know, she hasn't used the quality, or she hasn't used the equipment that she has. But I'm going to start. This screen actually, I don't think the battery is in here. Let me see. I usually keep them out. Let me see. Oh, it is. In case you think you missed that, I'll turn it off. So I'm using. So it does have a retractable, there, and the screen does flip up. So when you are vlogging, you can see what you're doing. It has a viewfinder that faces you. There's a difference. There's a big different size. This one's a lot lighter. And then all you do is just flip down. So, apologize for the glare. So I do use my MacBook Air to go ahead and edit my videos. This is actually the video that you'll be watching now, because I'm going to throw this clip in there. I use iMovie, and iMovie is way different on a MacBook or Mac desktop than it is on iPhone or an iPad. You have way more options, and there's a glare in your eye. You have way more options to edit and things like that on here. So yeah. And then I use some other editing software, and then of course my Apple Magic Mouse. So this ring light is making me blind. So your girl's gonna go ahead and end this video for now. I just wanted to touch bases with you guys. And if you're not already a subscriber, hit the subscribe button down below. It only takes 1 second. And there is a $100 giveaway going on my channel for my 400 subscriber count. So I will go ahead and link that video as well at the end of this video. So when it pops up, all you have to do is click on it. It will take you right to that video. In the comment section, you just put $2 down there and you will be entered. So as soon as I hit my 400 subscriber mark, I'm gonna be doing that $100. Somebody's gonna get it. All right, you guys, stay blessed, stay warm, and I will see you later. Bye.